In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy ETFs on interactive brokers. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, for this video, I'll be showing you how to buy an ETF on interactive brokers on my PC. However, this can also be done on the mobile app. So I recommend that you use whatever device you find easiest. From there, you need to log into your account, and when you're on the homepage, it should look similar to what you're seeing on screen now. So in order to actually buy an ETF on interactive brokers, we must first search for the ETF that we are trying to find. And we can do that by going up to the top and looking for this search bar right here. So we can click on it, and from there we can type out the symbol or ticker of the ETF that we are trying to buy. Now let's just say I was trying to buy this one. I can simply click on this and we will actually get taken to this page. From here it shows us the name, how much it costs, and it gives us more useful information such as the chart, as well as this stuff down here. Now, if we decide we did want to buy this ETF, what we can do is go up to the top and click this blue buy button. And in order to actually buy this ETF, you must have first deposited money into your account. So if you haven't yet funded your account, you can click this fund your account button to do that first. Now, when you have actually deposited funds into your account, your screen will look something like this. You want to first choose buy order since we're trying to buy, and you can then choose the quantity of shares you want to buy. Now, if you don't know the quantity of shares you want, you can also switch it to USD, and you can enter in the amount of money that you're willing to spend. From there, your order type will be set to limit by default, and we want to actually set this to market so that in market buys it at the current price. From there, we can overlook our order ticket to make sure everything's correct. However, if we are happy and we're ready to buy, we can go ahead and click submit buy order at the bottom of the screen. So that is how you can buy an ETF on interactive brokers. When it comes time to sell it, you can do the exact same thing you did right here. However, you can set it to sell order instead, and that will then allow us to sell our ETF. So that's exactly how you can buy an ETF on interactive brokers. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please go ahead and comment down below to say this video helped you out, and also like and subscribe to see some more content like this. Thanks for watching.